Nabihis na kami. It's 10:32. Alis kami mamaya lang. We slept in. Thank you, kids. Bait yung kids namin. Matagal nagising. Ha?
Mama.
Oh, that's for the eyelashes. And pagising na Ella, sabi niya, Mommy, where are we going today? So sabi ko, where do you wanna go? And where do you wanna go, ate?
McDonald's.
She wants to go to McDonald's. Tapos sabi niya, it's a nice day today, Mama.
Mom, where's this?
And it is a nice day. Pag open namin sa ano, oh, that's for under the eyes, but that's not for kids.
We can pay this.
No, not really. We shouldn't be playing with makeup. Oh, no, not that. Come on now. Sige na. Because Mommy will get her Vietnamese coffee. So, hindi pa ako nagkape. Bumaba lang ako kanina para i-on yung heater tapos pakainin si Arlo. Pero, hindi ako nagtagal doon kasi pag nagtagal ako doon, mapapakape ako, guys. And gusto ko mag-Vietnamese coffee. Tapos yung binibilhan namin kasi, mag-open ng 11. So, we're taking our time para daanan namin yung kape before kami magmakas. And ayoko ma-inhale so doon siya kakain sa makas. Oh wow, that's a lot, baby. Just a little bit. Remember, always a little bit. Looks pretty. Kailangan natin mag-declutter ng makeup, ate. Para konti na lang natira dito. Konti lang naman to. You wonder. Kita nyo ba? Hindi naman ganun karami yung makeup ko kasi hindi na naman ako bumibili ng makeup. Yung mga makeup ko lang na nandito is halos lahat galing Yes Style. This one is from Yes Style as well. I think so. It's from Easy Peasy Coloring Stick. Kahapon ko lang to inopen. Kasi naghahanap ako ng ganito. Cream blush ba? Ganyan lang. Buti na lang nakita ko to before ako nag-add to cart sa Yes Style. Anong shade to? Maganda to. Ang dali lang niya din i-blend kung kamay yung gagamitin. Sweet red pepper yung shade. Yes Style ba yan? Or galing yan ano? Baka galing yan Caris. Hindi ko na maalala, guys. Wala. Tapang to talaga.
Mom.
Kulang. Oh, you're putting on blush too. Basta kailangan umalis tayo dito ng close to 11 kasi malapit lang yung Vietnamese restaurant na pagpipick upan ng coffee ko.
Mom.
Yes.
Why not? That's fine.
You want that brush?
In that.
Ah, that one.
And
Sige.
where am I doing this? I need a boss.
You need a jacket, ha? Siya pumili ng damit niya eh. Yan, medyo manipis yan. I'm gonna wear a puffer jacket over my jumper.
Mom, where's this one? I need a boss.
A brush? Oh, here. And then, maglagay tayo ng aking paboritong Lipton Gerrit tint. Dadalhin ko to sa Pilipinas, doon to mauubos. Tapos tatakpan ko siya nitong Etude House Fixing Tint naman siya. Na light lang. Maganda yung tint na yun, very bright. Nagtatagal din. Tatakpan natin itong konti para hindi siya ganun ka-bright. Ayan. That's good. And that's it for me. Tingnan niyo yung mukha ng isa.
Mommy, like this?
Yeah, like that. Right here. Give it to me. Wipe your face, baby. Here, I have a wet wipe here.
I want my face.
He drinks slower than you are, that's why. Want yours now or later?
No.
Yummy? Who gave it to you?
It's too dirty.
That's right, Mr. Nolan.
Just wait, Ayla. Uh-oh, Arlo's finished.
It was quick.
Good job, princess.
Yeah.
It's your princess.
Good job, princess. Aw.
It's your princess.
Good job, princess.
It's your princess.
He's calling you Princess Isla.
Is Ate Ayla a princess?
I think there's a suit
So cute.
A suit
How about baby? Is baby a princess?
It's pretty princess.
Baby princess. How about Alo? Is Alo a prince?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Why? Ayla, pee before we go, ha?
There you You go to the toilet before you go, princess.
So anyway, the next one I take,
Ah, may money.
with this new Scotty Cameron. Now, I've been playing golf with a young fella at the golf course that day.
So cold. Thank you. Dito na kami, naka-order na kami. Nihintay na lang namin yung order namin. Daddy got Isla her jacket because she's cold. Alo, careful there, boy. There you go. There you go, baby. Dito na yung number namin, guys. Here, I can keep you sticker while you play. Oh, you don't want to play yet? Okay.
I'm hungry.
You're very hungry. Alright. Okay, it's okay. We're waiting for our food. Hindi siya kumain kanina kasi gusto niya maghintay ng makas. Ngayon tuloy, I'm very hungry.
I thought you guys want to play.
She's very hungry.
Got
She,
your food first?
she wants to eat first. Yeah, that's good, Isla.
Well, the food are coming.
Alo, I think you're gonna get minions, Alo. Careful, mate.
Little me.
Yeah, you're getting minion too.
It's so.
Chips. Okay, it's coming.
I do.
Apple juice? Did Daddy get you apple juice? That's good. Yes. Open? Isla's opening already.
Okay, open. I don't know it's mine.
Alo, look. Open this.
Oh, I know my own one too.
Oh, wow.
Open, open.
Please.
It's very fun.
Oh my gosh, you love this Alo.
Get it open for you, Alan. Oh, you
Oh my
got it?
gosh, a big one as well. That's good. It's gonna be the same. It is the same.
Thank you for that as well.
Open them.
Ready?
They're not the same, are they?
It is, yeah.
Same.
It's the same.
We can open it too.
Oh wow.
You can put stuff in there. All right, let's eat some food, guys.
Keep eating,
Anna, is yours chips in here?
Do you like it, Anna?
Hey.
That's your chips.
Mom.
Yes.
Mom, I don't eat.
What do you want from here, Ruby?
Just chips. Mom, I eat this, Mom.
I'll open it.
This salad. I want salad.
Sweet and sour.
Sweet and salad.
Yeah, put that down there. You dip your chips and you can dip your nuggets in it.
Good job,
I
Anna.
eat nuggets, Mommy.
Huh? Sure.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where's the other nugget packet? No. That's your pancakes for us.
There's chips there, okay?
No,
So don't-
Mama, I'm big deal.
You're a big girl, okay. Pancake yung akin. Share kami nito. Yummy in my belly. So, natapon yung kape ni Dan. Naglalaro kasi itong mga to. Natapon yung kape niya, tapos dadalhan daw siya ng bago. Bait nila.
One more.
Ha? Sure, here.
You can dip it in your sauce, Isla.
baby. McDonald's. Do you like Minion, Alo? Minion's cool, eh?
Ooh.
Do you wanna get out? Oh, what do you want? Get out?
Mama, not finished yet.
Yeah.
Now keep on
Keep
eating,
eating,
guys.
baby.
It's a pinion.
Minion!
Good eating, Isla.
Oops. All right, kiddos, where are we going next? Where are we going next?
Not painful. Oh, city first.
Shopping.
City first.
Shopping in the city first. You love shopping, don't you, Isla?
The city.
In the city, yeah.
Now I did.
Sorry?
I did.
You're good, yeah. You're very good. We'll go to the city, guys. May order si Dan na umbrella for Ayla. Tapos, available lang siya sa Kmart sa city. So, i-collect namin today. Because it's gonna be a rainy week daw, sabi ni Daddy. Yes?
I don't like my another umbrella.
You don't like the other umbrella?
Yeah, I don't want that.
You don't want black? Okay. You want unicorn and
Rainbows.
rainbows? How about aloe? What do you like, aloe?
Dinosaurs one.
He loves dinosaurs. Yeah, we know that.
They got
T-Rex.
they got dinosaur in there as well.
Umbrella?
Yeah.
I don't think you'd be able to hold it.
No.
Mom,
Yes?
what about the tiny one?
A tiny one?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe a tiny one will be a good idea for aloe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Cause my another one too heavy.
Yes, that's right. It's not gonna be good for aloe, is it? Oh. Maybe if aloe is good, we can look for slides for aloe.
Right?
Yeah.
Mom,
Yes. Is ate okay?
Mom,
Yes.
which egg is Tay?
Ate's okay. She said she needed to vomit.
Tay.
I think she just wanted fresh air. Pa-drive na kami sa city, guys. Nag-stop lang kami kasi sabi niya she needs to vomit daw. Ah. You feel better? We're almost there. Do you need your jacket? Wear your jacket. It's gonna be cold. Ah, there you go. Here. Put that on. Alo, where are you?
Where's Arlo?
Alo, where are you?
Oh my god, he must still be in the car. He's in the car.
This is me.
Where's Arlo? Arlo, where's Arlo?
Alo, where are you?
Oh, well done, mate. We'll find him. Arlo!
Get me, Arlo.
Arlo!
Look at him.
Where are you?
This is it.
Arlo!
Alo, where are you? We can't see you. This
I
is
can't
me.
find him.
Where is
I can't
Alo?
find him.
This is me.
It's in the sky.
He's in the sky. Are you in the sky?
Oh, this is a long elevator. I mean escalator, Alo. Ooh, don't look down. Dito na kami sa Kmart, sa city. Jump! Well done, Ayla. Here, ate. Follow Dada. Yay! How about Arlo daw? Oh! He's choosing his jumper already.
I will come in my Bella.
You okay, Alo? Watch out, ate. Watch out.
Mom, I got a big one.
Can Alo hold it?
This one's a bit buggered here.
Yeah. Do they have more?
Yeah. Let me get another one for you, Alan. Take another one. Take another one.
Mine not bad, see?
No, yours is good. Watch out for Alo, baby. Okay, Daddy's getting it for you, mate.
Alan, look.
I think dito kami sa Rebel Sports. Tingin-tingin kami ng slides nitong dudong natin. You wanna go down? Alright, come on. Tingin lang si Daddy ng mga t-shirt. That looks nice. I think it's too big. Yeah. Yeah, try it on. Yeah. That looks nice. You should get that. Yeah. Parang siya na naman ang mabibilhan. Wala yung kay Arlo. That looks good. Let me see.
Mom, I will take a photo.
You wanna take a photo? Uy!
That's dirty.
You wanna take a photo with your umbrella?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. You're ready for the Philippines, baby. Let me see. Can you walk, please? Can you walk? You like it? What size is that? I think that's perfect. You gotta show Daddy. I like the color as well. Dito kami sa change room. May itatry si Daddy dalawa. Ha? You like it?
Yes.
Alo, yummy? Yummy lollipop? Buti na lang, may lollipop ako sa bag.
Yeah, that looks good.
Oh, it does look good.
Then you got Matera as well.
Yeah, nice.
Look,
Fits it perfectly. And kami talaga nakahanap ng shoes ni Hayla. Ang ganda. Tapos ang mura lang guys. $30 lang. Malaki pa sa kanya, so next year. New Balance.
Sounds a bit big. Different fit. Too big.
It is too big. You look like a gangster.
Alright.
Another red one. You did another red one. Dami mo ng red. And we survived. That was a good shopping trip, wasn't it, my love?
Yeah, you don't overdo it. That's the trick. Serious, that's how you do it.
Yeah, so it's na 1:59. Arlo will sleep in the car. Pero ang dami namin pinuntahan guys after nung Rebel. Wala yung slides ni Arlo talaga. Gusto namin kahit kapareho ng slides niya ngayon, basta size up lang kasi yung slides niya ngayon ang liit na sa kanya. But ginagamit niya pa din minsan. Sobrang worth it nun eh. Mas maganda talaga yung kaysa sa mga mumurahing slides. Wala talaga siya dito. Ang daming shops namin pinuntahan. Kahit sa Nike mismo, pumunta kami sa Nike mismo na shop, wala din siya dun. So sabi ko wala na, hindi na tayo magtingin. Kung wala sa Nike, wala na yan. Kasi meron silang Havaianas. Yung binili namin sa Bali, nung nagpunta kami ng Bali, bumili kami ng halves na malalaking sizes. Hanggang ngayon, hindi pa din kasya kay Arlo.
We're going home now.
We're going home. Arlo's gonna sleep. Yeah. Shopping again?
Footy starts in an hour. Isla, Daddy wants to
Ayla, I think you're the one who went shopping today, you and Daddy. You're lucky, girl.
You got the most things, Isla.
You did. No, I didn't buy anything, baby. Because I don't need anything. We were there for your umbrella and Arlo slides, but they don't have slides for Arlo.
I don't have slides for us.
I don't know. You should tell them, guys. Seriously, where's Arlo slides? In his bum bum.
Yeah.
Good night, boy.
It's nice, Papa.
Oh. Hello, let's do a quick haul before mag-start ang footy and before ako mag-edit. And we got 2 of these. So, nag-order si Dan, di ba? Yun yung pinick up namin doon. And he picked another one kasi gusto niya ilagay sa car ko yung isa, tapos sa car niya yung isa. And then we went to Rebel nga. Pakita ko na sa inyo yung nabili namin doon. Ay! Hindi ko na laundry yung ano ni Ayla jacket. So we got this for Ayla. Very worth it nito guys. Kung naghahanap kayo ng slides na pang matagalan tapos hindi maluwag yung dito. Kasi yung sa Kmart, sa Big W, sa Target, maluwag yung dito nila tapos lumalabas ng bongga yung paan ng mga bata. Or siguro depende, but their feet kasi is not that chunky. And perfect na perfect talaga to. Like yung ganito ni Arlo, gamit na gamit, sulit na sulit. Yung problema lang nga, hindi ko mahanap-hanap yung kay Arlo. But this is Ayla's Philippines slides. Hindi niya yan kailangan dito kasi malamig. Of course, you can.
Because you watching footy. Did you watch footy us?
Yeah, I'll watch footy with you. Okay? It hasn't started yet, has it?
It smells good, you popcorn.
Oh no. You are so lucky you got popcorn. And ito yung isang shoes na naka-sale. Ang mura lang, guys. Kasi hindi namin nabilan si Arlo kasi walang size ni Arlo dun. Yung naka-clearance is yung one size na lang natira. So, wala dun yung kay Arlo. This is not for now because it doesn't fit Ayla. But Ayla will always need shoes because, you know, they grow. Tapos she goes to, diba? She goes to school na. So, ang ganda niya. Ganda-ganda ng kulay. $30 na lang, guys. Siguro nakasale siya kasi siya na lang siguro mag-isa natira. But ang cute-cute niya. This is, yeah, pang next year pa to. Malaki pa to sa kanya eh. Size 11. US 11. Kasi kasama talaga si Daddy sa shopping kahit malaki pa. Bibilhin. Kasi ako, hindi ako masyadong bumibili ng
I
malaki
got
sa
two fishies now. I got balloon fishy. I got animal fishy.
I know you did.
Daddy bought me.
And Daddy got this. It fits him perfectly. So that's good. I like it kapag nagsha-shopping si Dan tapos may nagustuhan talaga siya kasi minsan lang siya maganyan eh for him. And then ito sa Kmart. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga dito nilagay yung ni Ayla kanina. Umbrella. Yung kinolect namin. And then, yes.
These are packets.
The what?
They're packets.
A what?
A packet. A packet.
Where is it?
A packet.
A packet.
No, a packet.
What's that?
A packet.
Chips?
No packet. No packet.
Naiinis ako pag hindi ko siya
There.
naiintindihan. So, ito yung mga pang kay Arlo. Kailangan niya ng more pang malamig na mga bagay-bagay. So, I got this. Pag sobrang lamig, ito yung suot niya pang inner. Ang mura lang nito, guys. $2.25. But, isa lang yung kulay nandun. Gusto ko sana ibang kulay. But yeah, they only have it in white. So, pang inner niya lang yan. And ito, pwede din pang inner. Long sleeve siya. Maraming long sleeve actually doon. Hindi ko lang talaga bet yung mga kulay, yung mga print. But this one says super cool. And I got this as well. Just an additional jumper for him. That's only $5. Ito lang yung nag-iisang plain na nakita ko. What did you say, Ayla? Maybe Daddy will understand. Patchits? What?
No packet.
What did she say?
Packet. No packet. Packet.
What is that?
A packet. Packet.
Chips?
No packet. Packet.
Is it something to eat, Isla?
Is it something to eat or is it a toy?
No, it's the packet.
Pat chips?
No, open the door.
Open the door, okay?
Show Mommy.
Show Mommy. Open the door and...
I show you I want.
Okay.
Did you hear us?
Package?
Package.
Isla, say package. Look at me. Say
Package.
package. Look at me. Now look at me. Package. Say package.
Packet.
Perfect.
Good job,
Good
Ada.
job.
Like today.
Sorry, baby.
Why not
Meron kasing
today?
nag-doorbell kanina. Kapag nagdo-doorbell, di ba nagdo-doorbell din yung phone ko? So, nakita niya sa video na merong kuya na nag-leave ng package.
Careful.
So, akala niya nandun. Eh, hindi naman iniwan ni kuya. Nag-iwan lang ng card para i-pick up namin. Speaking of card, where did I put the card? I think it's in my pocket.
And my minion.
Oh, your minion. Where did you put it? Na, hindi ko na sali ito sa wash.
I found the toy. I want a sticker.
Okay. Okay, take it off. Just gonna take the tags.
And they can sticker.
Yeah,
Because they're nice stickers.
I know. And how good is your shoes? Seriously? No. What?
More food for Isla.
You are lucky.
Very
And this is very comfy, baby. You love these shoes.
Where do you keep the coffee beans, Raz?
There. But I think we ran out.
Where?
In the drawers there in front of you. Second or third.
Okay, we must have ran out.
Third. One left. Ah, her shoes is from $80 down to $30 na lang. That's a good deal. Snack tayo. Naka-edit ako ng isang buong vlog, guys. Na-interrupt lang ako ng saglit lang. Saglit lang kay Arlo. Pag nag-edit kasi ako, lagi akong tumatayo. So, parang ang tagal matapos ng edit ko. Kasi syempre, yung mga bata, I want this, I want that. Ang daming I want. Pero nakatapos ako ng isa and half time pa lang ng footy. So, makakaupo siguro tayo ng mga 20 minutes. Samahan natin si Daddy manood ng footy before ako tumayo na naman and mag-prepare ng dinner. But snack tayo. Ito yung grapes na nilagyan ko ng calamansi extract at saka sugar na nilagay ko sa freezer. So, it's been in the freezer overnight na. Hindi siya maasim. Nakaka-brain freeze lang yung lamig. Upo lang ako dun sama si Daddy. Doon tayo puti. Guys, manonood kami ng Inside Out. Papanoorin namin yung 1. Kasi pinanood ni Dan yung trailer tapos tuwang-tuwa yung mga bata. So, before namin siya panoorin sa sine, yung 2, panoorin muna namin yung 1. And wala kaming subscription, so we have to buy it from Amazon. Meron daw siya sa Amazon Prime. Hindi ako nang Netflix kasi wala talaga akong time manood ng movie. So, sayang yung subscription. So, wala akong Netflix. Tapos yung Prime, kaka-cancel ko lang.